Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to kind of do a torture test. We had a company send us a 60 pack of heavy duty zip ties, and they say they have a tensile strength of 200 pounds. Well, we're going to find out. So let's set the torture test up and we'll see how much they can actually lift. Alright y'all. You guys don't know, these are golf cart batteries. They weigh about between 65 and 70 pounds a piece. That's from the manufacturer. Here's our zip ties. We're gonna take one of these suckers right out of the bag, and let's see if this thing will lift it. So we're just gonna do one round. We're not gonna double it up. Get it up over here. And this is my lift for lifting golf cart batteries and everything else. So let's okay. There she be. She's on there. Let's look at that, y'all. That's 70 pounds right there. I didn't double that over. That is just on one pass. I'm impressed. I am really impressed. So let's set this back down and see if we can come up with a little bit heavier. Let's see if we can do 2 batteries, and we'll go through these 2 here and pick it up that way. So let me get this one cut off. We'll get moved around. We'll see if she'll pick it up. All right, y'all. Got the zip ties again. We got her lift moved around. We're gonna go right through one ear on each side of the battery, which I hope they're heavy enough to support it. So all right, y'all. I got this set up. So let's see if this will pick it up. Y'all, it's doing it. Now I am thoroughly impressed. That's between 120 and 140 pounds on one little single zip tie. Should we go for 3 batteries? I don't think I can get 3 batteries hooked into it. But that's impressive, y'all. I like it. So yeah. That is made me a believer. I would never thought a zip tie. So and the engagement on the locking mechanism seems really stout. So yeah, I'm good and impressed, y'all. Like I was saying, I'm definitely going to get on Amazon and order a bunch of these for her to shop, and my daily job and at home. I'm going to order 2 separate orders. I'm going to pay for the ones for home, but my work, we're going to pay from there. I'm going to get them in different sizes, lengths. Yeah, these are some good zip ties, y'all. Like I said, link in the description. Go down there, please. Like this video, please. Like, comment, subscribe. So catch you guys on the next one.